give you now one example why I dey support Governor Obaseki. Una know say at the beginning I know they talk about those state politics before. Una go ask me why be say this woman call dey support Governor Obaseki. Now something na it happen when be say I can't start to dey support Governor Obaseki. Me I tell you now today 2013 I can't go Nigeria. When I go Nigeria, if we don't drive for Ring Road, some boys will just drop enter inside car. I call the one that come say, this one not be a those states where they for born me, when I for grow up. Nobody don't jump enter our car before. Why be say everything can't change like this now? They say now the governor, whether they call Osho Baba or Osho Mole, now I bring all these boys when be say they jump enter inside car. Could you believe say I spent almost 2 months for Benin? How much when we spend? Say they clear ourselves from all those boys for Ring Road when they go jump enter our car. We spend a lot of money. Oh, so you know what happened when I can't come back again. I go Nigeria in 2018. When I come reach Nigeria for 2018, I'm not going to see all those boys for Ring Road again. I come ask my people. I say, what's it going to happen now? Where those boys will be say if we they drive past Ring Road, they'll just jump enter inside our car. And they're not going to let us rest. If we not pay at least minimum of 30,000 naira, they're not going to allow us go. Why it can't be say nobody for? They say now one governor when they call Obaseki, now they can't change everything or say remove all those boys, you know, we'll see them again. Say he can't replace them with another professionals. When they say now you feel drive through Ring Road, drive for Benin, nobody go jump enter inside your car again. And true when how many weeks when I spent for Benin for 2018, nobody jump inside my car. I go pass through Ring Road, nobody go jump, nobody will come harass me, nobody will collect. I can say, they see governor like this. I can say those days when we say 2013, some Agbero go there everywhere for Benin, they harass people. I don't see me. I call the wonder. I call say where all those many boys when they harass person for 2013. They say this governor too tough. Oh, he don't remove all of the come on for street. Say now you feel work car the way you want for Benin. Nobody go harass you for anything. You drive your car through Ring Road like this. Nobody go harass you. I say this governor I need to know him. Since then I can't follow the governor. I say this governor. This great governor, when if he just remove Agbero come off for street like this for Benin, I got to know this governor. Since then, I can't follow the governor. I can't say, this governor, they do great things for I don't say to, oh my God. I said, this one too good. Oh. This governor, I will support her. I will support her. When he can't say he want for the second term, now I want to show me like can't disqualify her. I say, no, this one will happen. Not in my watch. When we say I get this my mouth, all of us, we get mouth. Then we make sure say this man, he will come back again. This is our good governor. May he come back again. May he continue with the great work we don't do for those states. That's why all of us they support her. Me, I don't give you an example why I dey support Governor Obaseki today. I know say many of you now too when they watch, so now still get to now own story. When my feet talk say this governor, the way a policy for those states is impacting your life, the life of your family members in Nigeria. We all get our story. Oh, my sister was down for here, so with me, sister is okay. She get her story too. I know say she will talk now. Me, I leave her for you. May you continue, sister is okay.
Thank you so much, my dear sister. Like you said, you did right when you talk. Say when you go Benin that time, as you they enter everywhere, Ring Road, you know go to drive past. And so you go to see Agbero, you go to see thugs full everywhere. They harass people up and down. As you walk go here, they go push you, they go jump enter your car like you talk. Who never experience them? Anybody will be say you they go Benin, you go definitely don't encounter these people. You and these people who don't jam. But if you can't look another thing, you said no say our people, we like nowhere where we did, no matter where we did for this world, we dey always like to go house. And to go house, go invest. Go house to go do things for house. The time when I come here say, this Governor Obaseki don't come. CDA people, they know they harass people again. Because before you build house for Edo State, you buy land before you know what they happen. They go come, they go begin fight with you. You go see say the same land where they sell for you, they don't sell them for like 20 other people. You go come begin fight, oh, struggle. Some people then die for the matter. Some people they kill. All kinds of things happen because when I come here say CDA matter, the ground. I say, hey, the number one people where that thing really benefits, gain for that matter of CD. Now for people where they are abroad, because everybody they are abroad, we get one thing where every dope person believes in. No matter where you go, home na home, you must come back home. So when you come say that CDA thing come out, we come first happy say this governor na correct ogbonga governor. We know how to bring people because you want a person they come the state, you won't come invest. You come the state, you buy land. The next thing you go see 2-3 other people they follow you struggle that land. You go stay for that kind of land. No, you don't go stay now. You go pack your load. You go run come out because you don't want wahala. So that thing self come they drive so many people. Many people will be won't come house, come invest, come build house, come bring business. All of them come begin the no, they won't come Edo State. So that one said now number one big plus for governor. After that one come out, we come here again say if you buy land you buy house so any kind of property where you get for Edo State, if you won't go collect yourself, bam, my sister ask me how much 50,000 naira. I say, which kind governor be this one? Where people better go just they put sugar for in people their mouths like this. The other day I dey talk to my friend for Lagos. I tell her, I say, you know how much will they pay for this? He say how much? I say 50,000. She shouts, he say, now na governor good. Oh, the governor do everything in a way where be say when you go, you won't go pay anything will be government business. He put am wey be say you go pay for machine, bam, the thing go enter government account. Not be the one wey be say you go come get middle person go come collect money for your hand, you go come take the one when you want take. Everything government just make sure say everything they go go on the way when it's supposed to be. Because for this place where we dey so, now so the matter be. You won't pay anything for government, or you won't pay anything. You go government office, you go pay money go government account. But the thing for Nigeria, you go come here say you pay, they go come say the money where you pay. One person go come, he go tell you one price for the same office. So you go waka go, another person go tell you different one. You go just surprise say for inside that same office 3 different amounts now you go to get. But the governor don't do am in a way where they say once you just pay, you don't collect your thing, put am for hand, bam, no wahala. That one a small one. Then I can't begin here again say, see governor they bring one new garden, a motor garden, when be say anybody, whether you be civil servant or you be ordinary person, you be even person where they abroad, and you don't tire for all this. I buy here, I don't get person where go help me build up. Government say, no bother, no worry, just pay, register, then begin put yourself for the program. You go just see, they go build the house, as you want for you. Bam, everything go just see that. I say, hey, which kind of governor be this one where be say, in they do everything like say, now for abroad, the way that they do. Because now governor wey gets in people for mind, now be that one. Governor wey no want making people suffer at all, now be that one. And as you know, Edo people, you know say now Edo people don't travel where full different places. So because Edo people don't travel where we don't come see wetin life be. Come say this na how things suppose dey be. This na how things suppose dey be. I come hear another one again, Edo Best. I say which one still be this Edo Best again? I come begin go do my research, come find out say the Edo Best governor come do am in a way wey be say everybody through this online, na phone na tablet come make sure say all the teachers they come train teachers well. Because before our people go dey laugh say they go say public school teachers say then they go they break melon for school. When governor come, that governor say In this same public school teachers, the night teacher that time when he take on be the kind correct person when he be. So, and say if you won't come train children well, say that they always they talk and say from that age 0 to 5 years, they very, very important for children life. Once if you catch children for that age, let me say you don't set them up. Governor can't look everything. All these children, by the time we don't put these children, come make them understand, come make them they like school. Even the teachers we won't teach them, come make sure say then train the teachers them well. Make them know what they do. We take train these children well, teach them well.